navigating Spanish taxes for American expats in Spain. Welcome back to Spainguru. We're today unraveling the often complex world of tax obligations for American expats living in Spain. Let's break it down and simplify what you need to know. Generally, as a US citizen or resident, you are taxed on your worldwide income, regardless of where you live. However, living in Spain introduces a layer of Spanish tax obligations. The basic rule is that you should pay your taxes in Spain first, as a resident there. Spain generally has higher tax rates compared to the US, which often leads to the assumption that once you pay Spanish taxes, you might not owe any US taxes. This is due to the foreign tax credit, which allows you to credit taxes paid in Spain against your US tax liability on the same income. Now let's explain the foreign tax credit. If the income is taxed by Spain, the US allows you to resource this income as foreign source, which means you can take a credit for Spanish taxes paid against your US tax due. This is particularly applicable through the resourcing article in the US-Spain tax treaty. It is important to note that if an income type isn't taxed by Spain, you can't claim a foreign tax credit for it in the US, even if you have excess foreign tax credits from another income type. Let's check some practical tax filing scenarios. Some expats might find that they owe additional taxes in the US if the Spanish taxes paid were lower than what they would owe in the US. This generally happens if you are living in a country with lower taxes than the US, or if certain types of income, like capital gains in some countries, aren't taxed abroad. Conversely, US citizens living in high-tax countries like Spain often don't owe any US taxes after applying the foreign tax credit. There's also the matter of timing and logistics. Some expats choose to file US taxes first because their income sources are US-based, and then they sort out what additional amounts need to be paid in Spain. For anyone navigating these waters, it is highly recommended to consult with tax professionals who specialize in both US and Spanish tax laws, which you can find on spainguru.es. This can prevent mistakes and ensure you are maximizing potential tax benefits under the treaty provisions. Please notice this video is no legal nor tax advice and is a very simplified version of our community-based article Navigating Spanish Taxes for American Expats in Spain, which I highly recommend you to read. Also, make sure to read our quick but thorough guide on taxes for Americans living in Spain, and here's the URL as well. Thank you very much for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.